Hi there, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about the iPhone won't accept the correct password. Now just take a look at this for an example. I was entering the right password, but it shows me this: iPhone unavailable. Try again in 5 minutes. So your time can be much more or less than that. It doesn't really matter. At the same time, if you forget your password, you must put your device into the DFU or recovery mode. Similarly, if you have other problem with your iPhone, like your iPhone Touch is not working, iPhone won't turn on, iPhone stuck on Apple logo, or if you fail to update your iPhone, you can literally put your device into the recovery mode. Then you'll be able to solve your problem. After that, your iPhone 14 series, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, or iPhone 14 Plus will be able to turn on, and it will solve your problem. Now, to do the recovery mode on your iPhone, you must need a computer. It can be a Mac or Windows, especially if you're using the new coming, or let's say the new Mac. You don't need to install the iTunes application on your device. However, though, if you're using a Windows computer just like me, then you'll need to install the iTunes applications. Well, you can literally install the iTunes application from the Microsoft Store or from Google. Anywhere you can literally get it. Now, once you just install your iTunes application on your Windows computer, then you are ready to go. Now, before we go ahead and do the DFU or recovery mode for your iPhone 14 series, here is one thing you have to keep in mind. Doing this process will erase all the data that you might have on your iPhone. So if that's possible, go ahead and get a backup and then follow along with the process to do the DFU or recovery mode. The first thing that you want to do from here, just go ahead and connect your iPhone 14 series with your computer or a laptop. You can get the lightning cable, or if you have the Type-C port, you can use a dongle or converter just like that and connect your phone with the computer first. Alright guys, now on your computer, first you need to open up your iTunes application. So once you open up your iTunes application here, on your iPhone, you need to press the volume up button and down button and quickly press and hold your power button and keep it holding unless you see this logo appears on your iPhone. After that, if you just go ahead and take a look at your computer, you will see this prompt will appear on your computer. So on this prompt, all you want to do here, just go ahead and click on restore, and right after that you're going to see another prompt is going to come up. Click on restore and update, and now you got to click next and click agree to the terms and conditions. Well, right after that, you'll be able to see now your software is going to get start downloading on your computer. So if you just take a look at here, now my software is downloading. Now you have to wait unless your software get downloaded. Once your software get downloaded on your computer, once again you gotta press that volume up button, down button, and quickly press and hold your power button once again, and keep it holding unless it shows you this logo once again on your iPhone. Now after that, you're gonna get another prompt on your computer, but this time around go ahead and click on restore. Now click restore and update. Now, if you just take a look at here, you'll be able to see now your software that you have previously downloaded on your computer has started extracting on your computer. Now, doing this process can take a little while. Just go ahead and wait unless your software extracting is done. Well, once your process is going to be done, you're going to get a prompt on your computer, and after that, your iPhone is going to get an auto restart within 10 seconds, and now your iPhone is going to say hello in the different languages. Now once you get this first page of your iPhone screen, just click on continue. Well, after that, just go ahead and reset up your iPhone 14 series and use your iPhone the way you want. Alright guys, these are the ways that you guys can follow to do the DFU or recovery mode for your iPhone 14 series, and this is how you can do it. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.